Today I'm going to be explaining. Here are 6 terms for mixing ingredients together. First term I'm going to be talking about is cutting in. It's when you take 2 knives and you go to your bowl of ingredients like this. No ingredients are in my bowl though. And this is for mixing an ingredient that is harder and softer with each other, like butter and flour. The way you do that is you take your 2 knives in the scissoring motion, you run them through your materials like this. And eventually, that will mix them together. It's very nice. The next way of mixing materials together is whipping. To do that, you take your whisk or fork, and you take your material, and this is for adding air into your materials, like if you're making whipped cream or something. The way you do that is you run it through very fast to put as much air in there as possible. And that's whipping. Next is folding. Folding, you take a spatula, and this is for mixing less dense materials with more dense materials. Like if I had batter and an egg I needed to mix together, I'd put the batter in, I'd put the egg in, and then to mix it all together, I'd just keep folding it on top of each other, bringing through that egg all throughout the mixture so it's nice and even. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is beating. Beating can be done in KitchenAid, like what we have right now. Beating is just mixing 2 or more ingredients together. Is just mixing 2 ingredients together until they are uniform. Next is blending. Blending is also like that, but it's taking 2 or more ingredients and mixing them together until they lose all of their original aspects, until they make one single thing. And done.